Hi, welcome to the unboxing video of our Mini2Grow Deluxe Magic LED. I'm Yannick, product designer at Micromobility Systems, and today I'm guiding you through the handlings and functions of our Mini2Grow Deluxe Magic LED. Let's start with a short and simple explanation. What is the Mini2Grow? The Mini2Grow is an all-in-one deluxe scooter for the first years of your child's life. Thanks to its multifunctionality, it can be used from the age of 12 months and will accompany your child until the age of 6 or more, depending on the child, of course. The innovative and ergonomic all-in-one scooter can be used in 5 different variations, making it a very sustainable scooter that will grow with your child and stay by its side for a long period of time. Additionally, it is not only fun and safe for your child, it is also very practical and easy to use for parents. Now let's look into the details of the Mini2Grow Deluxe Magic LED. First, I will assemble the whole Mini2Grow. Then I will show you how to get to the different setups. As you will see, there are no tools required to assemble the Mini2Grow. While I assemble the Mini2Grow, let me explain you some of the cool features that come with it. At Micro, our products follow 3 main guidelines: safety, fun, and durability. As safety is very important for your child, and you, of course, we make sure to provide visibility in the darkness thanks to the rear reflectors, the light bulbs, and the LED moon wheels. As soon as the scooter starts moving, the wheels will start shining thanks to the built-in dynamo. The Magic bar will require 2 AA batteries, and for safety reasons, this is the only point where you might need a screwdriver just to make sure that everything is safely secured.
It sound right, boys.
Let me show you the different setups for the different use cases of the Mini2Grow. The ride-on scooter setup with the push bar. In this setup, the kid sits on the ergonomic saddle with their feet here or here, this footrest, and the parents can push from behind. The Mini2Grow indeed comes with 2 different footrest options, so it is up to you to choose which one suits to your child best. The second setup is just slightly different. Parents can turn the push bar 90 degrees and then push with only one hand. This can allow you to have one hand free and be even closer to your child. The third setup is for a little older kids who are getting more independent. It is the ride-on scooter. You simply need to detach the push bar, both footrests, in this setup, the children can ride around on the Mini2Grow by themselves as a mix between a balance bike and a scooter. The fourth setup is the scooter with the small T-bar. To get to this stage, simply remove the seat, the push bar, and the footrest.
It sound right, boys.
Here you go. This setup helps your child to start practicing the first balance and motor skills on the scooter. Remember, the small T-bar is a bit lower than the lowest position of the Micro Mini Deluxe. The fifth setup is the scooter with the adjustable T-bar. To get to this setup, simply remove the small T-bar, replace it with the T-bar that was used as the push bar before. This T-bar is height adjustable. This means it will grow with your child. Remember that this handlebar is a bit higher than the highest position of the Micro Mini Deluxe T-bar. Well, now you know all the tips and tricks you need to know about the Mini2Grow Deluxe Magic LED. It is a multifunctional all-in-one scooter. Built to last and promote sustainability, this remarkable product brings an extraordinary amount of fun to kids. Prepare for years of enjoyment as it becomes an indispensable companion for your child's adventures. Thanks for joining me and see you soon.
It sound right, boy.